Well, hello. Yep, Sia time. I thought it was time to catch up with this little girl. And she is a little girl for a few years old, but, you know, she's going to grow. She's not going to stay this little forever. She's never going to be one massive girl either, but she's certainly going to grow a lot more than what she is right now. But of course, Sia is not letting go of any waste. She's kind of hanging on to it, guys. And I'm starting to think, what are you doing? Are you ever going to go to the toilet? She, of course, is, there's been urate going on. But the other, she's not so keen to do that. She's not so keen to climb in her enclosure, and she's got plenty of branches and bits there for her to actually do that. She just doesn't. She also has a hammock which she has not utilised at all, and above that she has a shelf as well, except you're twisting yourself and you make it uncomfortable for me to, you make it uncomfortable for yourself to stay comfy in my arms. But I'm still working Tessa out. I haven't figured her out yet. I still do not know much about her apart from the fact that she's shy, she's timid, she's occasionally a little bit hissy when I go to get her out, but no display of defensiveness at me at all. Very, okay, you're picking me up, and there's no more hissing and carrying on. She seems well and has gotten over that RI completely. No more puffing out that throat of hers, which I did notice with her. But I'm still trying to figure her out and what her actual little personality is apart from that shy and timid snake. So there's one thing that I do know. Shy and timid is not defensive snake. It's actually quite the opposite. That little bit of a hiss is her displeasure of me disturbing her. But other than that, that's not about I'm going to bite you at all with Sia. She reminds me, hang on, I'll bring this down for you. She reminds me a little bit of Jessie in the way that she clings and grips and feels kind of insecure. Maybe not as bad as Jessie is with it, but she certainly still has those traits that I see in Jessie. I don't see any, head wobble stuff going on for her. I just would, I'm just trying to get her to go with me a little bit more and understand that I'm a friend, that I do mean her, absolutely no harm whatsoever. And it of course, naturally, once she's out for a little while, she calms down a lot, as do most snakes, of course. They all slowly start to chill once they've been out with you for a little while. But, she's also, where I don't want to, does she match in well with my pants a little bit? She kind of does. down there. But because I'm working very much on her developing that trust and that bond with me still, it's more about that than her being able to show me what her little personality is, and what she's actually like, because she's still very shy. So even though that's a part of personality, it is not what Sia is. I hope that with time and everything that I'm doing, she'll lighten up, and then I will start to see a little bit different side to her as well, and I'm sure that I will. I want to see her excited and loving being out. I don't want to see her going, I'm not sure, and I'm not 100% feeling good about all of this yet. She still tends to be very wary of things, and even though, the carpets, well, she's not a carpet, but that they are very curious, her shyness and timidness supersedes being able to see her personality fully. And this poor girl has never had the opportunity to grow either in that particular way, because she has been kept in an enclosure, living in, from what I could see, a hide. She doesn't know what those branches are for. What are they? Why are they in here? What are those leaves and things as well? Like, they're not meant to be in here. I'm meant to have somewhere where I can go get a drink, and somewhere where I can actually go and hide. But branches, greenery, and something to lay on? No, you lay on the floor. And diamonds are climbers. They are. I wouldn't call them completely arboreal, but I certainly would not call them ground dwellers either, or terrestrial. Is it terrestrial? And not the alien people. Although those branches are alien to her, and so forth. She just doesn't know what they're for. She avoids them. She goes around them. She doesn't go up them. Although one day I did see her kind of go halfway up, and she just stopped, and then she came back down and kept going over to a warm side. So, as I said, I'm still learning about Sia. I'm still trying to really figure her out. But I know she's gentle. She's a gentle girl. And for me, that is the starting point of knowing that she's going to be fine with her disposition towards me. But I just want her to lighten up. And I want her to relax. And I want her to be able to live the life that my big guys, well, not my big guys, but Lily and Jack get to live here, which is, the availability to go climbing and enjoy all those other spaces. And I'm not saying that she can't. I just know that it's just not her yet. And it will be. She's great on the jungle gym. And I let her lay on the jungle gym and whatever, but she kind of just sits on the top and she doesn't do very much because of who she is so far. So this is my little bit of time with Sia. Yes, I do want her to go to the toilet. That would be so good at this particular point, but yeah, it's like you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink scenario. I can't make her poop scenario at all, but I will feel much better when she does do that, Because I'm dealing with Miss Meyer at the moment not wanting to eat, and the little spotteds and the children's tend to, over the winter, do this. Just go off their feed, slow themselves down. Although Maya's pretty active, there's been no temperature change in her enclosure at all. She has just naturally sleeping her days away, and no, I'm not really that interested in food. So once a week I'll keep on offering her. I'm not worried about it. She's a nice healthy girl, got some weight on her. So, well, she's not overly fat either, guys, but she's got some weight on her that I know she can go a little while without eating anything. This girl, I don't want to put another rat in there at all. And at the moment, all Sia is getting is a wiener. I'm not putting anything bigger in there till she does go. So she's the one that's losing out a little bit here. I don't really put Sia around my neck, but once she's calmed down, it's a little bit easier to do that. She's not so hyper, going all over the place with me. So this is her being close to me and comfortable with me as well. So guys, little catch up with Sia today. So take care of yourself, take care of your family, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao everyone. Well, as uncomfy as this may look, I can't kind of move Missy, me, much, because Missy decided to go to the toilet while she was wrapped around my neck, which was wonderful. Like wonderful in the fact that she decided to go to the toilet, but not so wonderful that she got me. So that's twice now. My girl has actually got me. But that's okay. She's finally pooped. So, whoo! So is that what I need to do from now on? Is get her out, put her around my neck, and she'll decide to poop. Don't know, but it worked. And she went. And even though she's hanging on tight, she's not choking me. I can kind of feel it, but she's not choking me. But now I have a wonderful, wonderful mess to clean up. And I have to say, that's cool by me. I'm happy about cleaning up her poop today. So I thought I'd let you know. Done. Finished. Now she can have a feed on Sunday, which is tomorrow. Actually, Monday. Couple of days, and I don't mind putting another rat in her belly. Ciao.